Hello, dear drivers. How are you? Today we'll solve a problem on starting and changing direction. It seems like a simple traffic problem, but 70% of the answers were wrong. Question: which driver is violating traffic rules in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the white car. 2. The driver of the green car. 3. Both are violating traffic rules. 4. Both are not violating traffic rules. The correct answer will be waiting for you after analyzing the situation. Don't rush to look at it. Try solving it yourself. Situation analysis. At an intersection, the drivers of the white and green cars intend to turn left. Both are entering from secondary road, as indicated by the give-way priority sign. Since there are no other cars on the road, nothing prevents the green and white cars from proceeding. There's also an end of one-way road sign in front of them, but the cars don't attempt to turn back into the oncoming lane. So, at first glance, it seems that neither driver is breaking the rules. Over 70% of respondents believe this. However, there's a complete lack of signs or road markings that would regulate the direction of travel. This means that turning must be done according to different rules. Let's read the traffic regulations. Before making a right or left turn, including in the direction of the main road, or U-turn, the driver must first take the appropriate extreme position on the roadway designated for traffic in that direction. In the picture, the driver of the green car took the extreme left position before turning left, while the driver of the white car remained in the right lane. Therefore, they are the potential violator. Correct answer number 1. The driver of the white car is violating traffic regulations. Be sure to let us know in the comments if you were able to solve this test and your answer. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video with your friends.